Alright, so today I'm going to be doing a little review on the Piranha 140cc and my basic thoughts on it and why I went with this motor versus going back to another 125. So this is my pit bike. It's got the Piranha 140cc right there. It's got a Mikuni VM26 carb. It's probably a knockoff from China. I don't know if it's real or not. I did a big wheel conversion on it. It has a 35 tooth sprocket in the rear with a 14 in the front. Anything other than that is just too much gearing for it. It makes a lot of power compared to the 125. With this motor, I've done 56 mile an hour, and that was with running out of room, so I could have gone more. The reason I went with this motor is because when I got the bike, it had third gear slipping. So I bought a $200 125cc off of Amazon, put that on there, rode it for like a month, and then I let someone ride it, and I think they power shifted second, and then second started clicking when I went to ride it again. And after me just riding it for a couple more days, second gear was completely gone. I'll put in the clip of that right now. Okay, this is second. I'm gonna give it the throttle. So I basically didn't want to keep going to cheap motors, and I wanted to make more power. So I put in the Piranha 140, and I was instantly like super happy with it because it made so much more power. Before, I would race like Groms and stuff like that, and they'd put like 2 or 3 bikes on me, and now with this, I beat Groms like nothing. Like it's crazy how fast this motor is. The only thing that is it's not really the best about this motor, since not everyone can really kickstart this motor. It has a lot of compression. If you twist the throttle at all, it'll kick back like super hard. Here, I'll see if I can get a quick clip. Yeah, see, it just kicks back super hard. But if you know how to start it, you can start it. I'll put in an exhaust clip of this and an exhaust clip of the 125 real quick. About this engine when I put it in is this engine revs up so much faster. Like, it's got such a lightweight flywheel, it just revs up super quick. Got my GoPro on. I'll go take some clips of me riding in the dirt and stuff like that, and you can get an idea of how fast it actually is. charger?